Are you spending hours managing DMs, comments, and customer questions across Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Messenger? That's time you could be using to grow your business. With ManyChat, you can automate conversations, reply instantly to customers, and track your results, all from one dashboard. Imagine turning every comment into a conversation, every DM into a lead, and every follower into a paying customer, without being glued to your phone. ManyChat handles FAQs, sends offers, and keeps your audience engaged 24/7. You'll never miss a sales opportunity again, even when you're offline. Social media managers and business owners using ManyChat see more engagement, more conversions, and more free time to focus on what really matters. Set up your first automation in minutes, connect your social channels, and start seeing results immediately. Stop managing every message manually, start growing your business on autopilot.